Let's see what I have in the air fryer. Yeah, I've been wanting to do this. Yeah, jalapenos off my jalapeno plant. And cream cheese with fresh onion and fresh garlic. And wrapped in bacon. Let's try one. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, hot with heat. That is so good. And the jalapeno isn't hot at all. Very good. Good morning. Today is travel day. We're on vacation. An everyday vacation. Yeah, we're going on a road trip. And we're only 30 minutes late. Well, I still gotta, I want to go backwards. I still got to go pick up Deborah and her stuff. And then we're gonna go to Walmart, do a little Walmart pickup. I gotta get Sammy some food so I can cook while we're gone. It's always feels so weird to get back in the truck and drive. So I've been driving the van. The truck is so tight. It's steering is, you know, the van's all kind of loosey-goosey. But anyway, road trip, yay! We're gonna be gone a few days too. I think we had planned on coming back one day next week. Can't remember which day. And then now we're thinking we might break that drive up coming back and stay a couple of days somewhere else. So we'll see. We'll see what we end up doing. Who knows? Because we can do what we want. All right, I'm going to show you what we've done so far on the buildings. Got them painted. So the back walls are done. The top part of this coat, the green, is done. I just need to, that's the only part of the trim we've done. But all the rest of it is, well, we've got to take this down, finish this. We just kind of got halfway done on some of it, but we're going on vacation. So let's do that now. Oh, and in the front, I just got the whole wall painted and haven't done any of the trim yet. So anyway, we're ready to go. Oh.
My place is a tripping hazard right now.
You ready?
Yeah, sorry about that. I'm just going to lock up.
Yeah, we hadn't finished that one yet. But it's so cool, her chairs that she got. This one on the left is a little faded, but the one on the right is what she's painting her doors, and it's like it just matched.
Yeah.
So it's so cool.
Got it partway painted. And you can tell the difference. The top part right there.
Yeah.
Is painted.
But it's so cool how it matches. It gets a fresh coat of paint. Cool. All right, let's get out of here. Ben, you want to go?
He says, okay, I think I will.
Okay.
Oh, and you know what? I'm going to paint Bandit's bucket. Remember we got this bucket? And it has a bee on the front?
Yeah.
I'm going to paint Bandit's bucket that same color as my chairs and door.
So all this is going to go in Bandit's garden, which is going to go up against this wall. So we had to paint it before she can do the garden part.
Yeah.
And look at this, what she got. It's backwards. It says Bandit's Garden. Isn't that cool?
That's from my friend Kathy.
Yeah. It's like so cool.
That and the heart.
And the heart.
Yeah.
Once by my side, forever in my heart. A little puppy print. Isn't that cute? I love it. Love it so much. All right. Let's go to Walmart.
And then
Vacation! Yay! It's weird. Oh, you know what I need to do?
what do you need to do?
It looks weird that I don't have the license plate.
Yeah.
And I need to take off the Texas registration right now.
There might be a policeman or two that might question that.
Yeah, that I have that and not that.
And
then
Mexico
a
plates.
New Mexico plate. So I need to do that right now.
Let me put this
All right, I'm gonna take this off. I just put this on, but hey, I'm taking it off. Bye-bye, Texas.
Oh, it's kind of a bittersweet moment.
So we are in the town of Lincoln. So it's not very often that this place is open when we drive through here, but it's Sunday afternoon. So we're gonna go to the brewery. This bed. It's got the seating room down here. There's no mattress up there, but isn't that cool? I just like being in these old buildings. They've really done a lot to this one for sure. A journal. Cool books. Craft beer cookbook. Carlsbad Caverns. Cool. I love it. You need that hat. Carlsbad Caverns. I said that. White Sands, Big Bend. Word search puzzles. Oh, cool. Look at this bathtub with the legs. Isn't that cool? Wow, now that is an oversized load. Wow. That's big. I don't think I've ever seen anything that big. Oh, and they're gonna pull into that parking lot. I wouldn't want to drive that. Okay, we got here to the RV park. There's a lake over there. There's a lake there. The sun's going down. There's a lake over there. This is our campsite. We're snacking. Wasn't this trip all about eating?
Yeah, what else is new?
Yeah. We're snacking. You're all wrapped up.
I'm freezing. It's in the 60s.
In the 60s?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I got a jacket on, but
And we got another stream of geese flying.
way, I don't know that you'll be able to see that. Anyway,
Yeah.
hear 'em. There's Finn. Hi, Finn. So I got chicken in the air fryer. So we're gonna have some chicken. Oh yeah, there's the casino over there. Can you see it? Right there. Yeah, we're gonna go over there tomorrow. We're tired. It's a long trip. Huh, Sammy? She's like, I'm all wrapped around this chair. Chicken!